Did you know that the humble avocado is actually a superfood powerhouse? This creamy green fruit isn't just delicious, it's packed with incredible health benefits that your body craves. First, avocados are heart heroes. They're loaded with monounsaturated fats. The good kind that actually helps lower bad cholesterol and reduce your risk of heart disease. Just one avocado contains about 20 grams of these healthy fats. Here's something amazing. Avocados act like nutrient boosters. The healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K from other foods. So adding avocado to your salad doesn't just taste great, it helps you get more nutrition from those vegetables. Did you know one medium avocado packs about 10 grams of fiber? That's nearly half your daily needs. This fiber keeps your digestive system healthy and helps you feel full longer, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Avocados contain more potassium than bananas. This essential mineral helps regulate blood pressure, supports proper muscle function, and keeps your heart beating strong. The healthy fats in avocados aren't just good for your heart, they're brain food too. These fats support cognitive function and may help improve memory and concentration. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't skip the avocados. Whether you spread them on toast, blend them in smoothies, or add them to your favorite dishes, you're giving your body a gift of nutrition. Your heart, brain, and digestive system will thank you. If you found these avocado facts as amazing as we do, don't forget to subscribe for more nutrition tips and healthy living secrets.